अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। अब ये जो ओरिजिनल पेपर है इंस्पेक्टर लीगल का, ये अब ग्रुप्स में आ गया है। तो इसमें स्टूडेंट्स मुझे काफ़ी सारे मैसेजेस कर रहे थे कि सर काइंडली आप इसके ऊपर वीडियो बना दें। तो मैं आपको क्वेश्चन टू क्वेश्चन जो है ना सबके आंसर बता देता हूँ। तो आप इसकी अपनी असेसमेंट कर लें कि आपके कौन से ठीक हैं और कौन से गलत हैं। तो मोस्टली जो आपके गलत हैं, मसलन 15 क्वेश्चन हो सकते हैं, 20 हो सकते हैं, जितने भी गलत हैं आप वो नोट करते चले जाएं, इसमें आपके लिए आसानी होगी। अच्छा, ये है कि पहला क्वेश्चन है कि एच अ प्रोसिक्यूशन विटनेस इज कॉल्ड अंडर क्यूएसओ हु एग्जामिन्स हिम फर्स्ट। इसके ऑप्शन थे कोर्ट, बी था डिफेंस कौंसल, सी था अक्यूज्ड और डी था प्रोसिक्यूटर। इसका ऑप्शन डी प्रोसिक्यूटर राइट ऑप्शन है। जे इज अंडर क्रॉस एग्जामिनेशन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 पर डाउन। अंडर द क्यूएसओ कैन न्यू क्वेश्चंस बी आस्क्ड अनरिलेटेड टू द केस? यस इफ टू टेस्ट वेरासिटी, ऑप्शन ए इसका ठीक है। F is found in possession of stolen property, but he says that he is not the thief. Under कानूनी शहादत order, which of the following would be true? इसका जो ऑप्शन है वो सी ठीक होगा। He is the thief unless he explains. Option C is right. Under the कानूनी शहादत order 1984, the burden of proof to prove insanity lies on the accused. Option B ठीक है चौथे क्वेश्चन का। पांचवा क्वेश्चन, अंडर द कानूनी शहादत आर्डर व्हाट इज द इफेक्ट ऑफ फेल्योर टू क्रॉस एग्जामिन अ विटनेस ऑन अ मटेरियल पॉइंट? इसका ऑप्शन सी ठीक है। इट मे बी टेकन एज एक्सेप्टेंस ऑफ द टेस्टिमनी ऑन दैट पॉइंट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, हु बियर्स द इनिशियल बर्डन ऑफ प्रूफ इन अ सिविल और क्रिमिनल प्रोसीडिंग्स अंडर द कानूनी शहादत आर्डर 1984? द पार्टी अगेंस्ट whom जजमेंट इज टू बी गिवन इफ नो एविडेंस इज प्रोड्यूस्ड। ऑप्शन बी इसका ठीक है। When can leading questions be asked under the QSO? During cross-examination or with permission of the court during examination in chief. Option C इसका ठीक है। Question number 8, what is the main purpose of cross-examination under the QSO? To इसमें C option, to test the credibility and accuracy of the witness's testimony. Option C ठीक है। Question number 9, under the QSO, when is the burden of proof beyond reasonable doubt required? In all criminal cases when establishing guilt of the accused. Option B. In all criminal cases when establishing guilt of the accused. Option B दुरुस्त है। Question number 10. Under the कानूनी शहादत order 1984, which of the following is the correct sequence of the examination of a witness? सबसे पहले एग्जामिनेशन इन चीफ होता है, क्रॉस एग्जामिनेशन होता है, फिर री एग्जामिनेशन होता है। ऑप्शन बी ठीक है। Question 11. A police officer shoots a suspect under a mistake belief that the suspect is armed and about to shoot. It later turns out that suspect was unarmed. Is A criminally liable? No, because he acted under a mistake of fact. Option B इसका दुरुस्त है। ठीक है। Why is theft considered distinct from extortion under the Pakistan Penal Code? Option B इसका दुरुस्त है। Extortion involves obtaining property through threat, whereas theft is secret taking of property without consent. Option B इसका ठीक है। What is the significance of Section 40 of the Pakistan Penal Code is understanding criminal liability? It provides the definition of the term offense. Option B दुरुस्त है। Under the Pakistan Penal Code, in which scenario would causing death not amount to murder but culpable homicide not amounting to murder? Death caused in a sudden fight without premeditation and in the heat of passion. Option B ठीक है जी, ठीक है। Question number 15. How does the Pakistan Penal Code distinguish between mistake of fact and mistake of law in the context of criminal liability? Mistake of law is only mistake of fact can excuse criminal liability under certain conditions. C option इसका दुरुस्त है, क्योंकि मिस्टेक ऑफ लॉ जो है वो कोई ग्राउंड नहीं होता, मिस्टेक ऑफ फैक्ट होता है। ऑप्शन सी। बी अंडर इंटॉक्सिकेशन वॉलंटियरली काज्ड किल सी, ही क्लेम्स ही वाज अनअवेयर ऑफ हिज एक्ट, इज ही क्रिमिनली लायबल अंडर द पीपीसी? ऑप्शन डी ठीक है इसका। यस, वॉलंटियरली इंटॉक्सिकेशन इज नो डिफेंस। सेक्शन 86 पाकिस्तान पिनल कोड जो है वो वॉलंटियरली इंटॉक्सिकेशन को प्रोटेक्ट नहीं करता। वॉलंटियरली इंटॉक्सिकेशन ऐसी इंटॉक्सिकेशन जो अपनी मर्जी से आपने ली हो तो वो आप प्रोटेक्टेड नहीं है। ऑप्शन डी इसका दुरुस्त है। और इसके बाद क्वेश्चन नंबर 17, हाउ इज क्रिमिनल ट्रेसपास लीगली डिफरेंशिएटेड फ्रॉम हाउस ट्रेसपास अंडर द पाकिस्तान पिनल कोड? हाउस ट्रेसपास इन्वॉल्व लॉफुल एंट्री इनटू अ बिल्डिंग व्हाइल क्रिमिनल ट्रेसपास मे अकर इन एनी प्लेस। ऑप्शन बी इसका दुरुस्त है। W and others gathers with intent to overawe the local administration. What offense is this under Pakistan Penal Code? Unlawful assembly. राइटिंग कुछ लगा के आए हैं लेकिन अनलॉफुल असेंबली इसका ठीक है क्योंकि अभी उन्होंने इंटेंट की है, उन्होंने कोई शो ऑफ फोर्स नहीं की। क्वेश्चन नंबर 19, इन व्हाट सर्कमस्टांसेस डज सेक्शन 94 ऑफ द पाकिस्तान पिनल कोड प्रोटेक्ट अ पर्सन फ्रॉम क्रिमिनल लायबिलिटी? तो इसका था जी वेयर द एक्ट इज कमिटेड अंडर द थ्रेट ऑफ डेथ, ऑप्शन बी। व्हाट डिस्टिंग्विश अ क्रिमिनल अटेम्प्ट फ्रॉम प्रिपरेशन अंडर द पाकिस्तान पिनल कोड? Attempt begins when the offender takes a direct step toward committing the crime after preparation. Option B ठीक है। Which of the following situation is most likely to constitute mischief under Pakistan Penal Code? An intentional act causing wrongful loss or damage to property. Option C इसका ठीक है। How does the law treat an act committed by a person of unsound mind under Section 84 of the Pakistan Penal Code? Option B इसका ठीक है। Excused. It is excused if the person lacked the ability to understand the nature of the act. Option B इसका ठीक है। Under Section 439 CRPC, the revisional powers of the High Court include the power to enhance the sentence. Option C इसका ठीक है। An accused convicted by the court of an additional session judge wants to appeal. Where appeal is filed under CRPC? Option B इसका ठीक है, High Court. A police officer arrests a person without a warrant on mere suspicion. The offense is non-cognizable. Is the arrest lawful under CRPC? Option D. No, unless authorized by a magistrate. Option D is correct. Question number 26. A sessions judge passes an order and it is challenged. Which court can revise it under CRPC? High Court. Option C. What is the requirement under CRPC when the nature of the offense is such that it is doubtful under which section the accused should be charged? इसका ऑप्शन सी ठीक है, मल्टीपल अल्टरनेटिव चार्जेस में बी फ्रेम्ड। क्वेश्चन 28। A magistrate may order the police to investigate a cognizable offense under section 156 यानी ऑप्शन डी 156 CRPC। क्वेश्चन 29। Under CRPC, a joint charge can be framed against several persons if they are accused of the same offense committed in the course of the same transaction. Option C. Question 30. Under Section 265 CRPC, the accused may be acquitted before the conclusion of trial if the judge is of the opinion that there is no possibility of conviction, probability of conviction. Option B. Can the complainant file an appeal against acquittal? Yes. Under the CRPC 1898, yes इसका ऑप्शन 31 का ऑप्शन ए yes. 32. Under the CRPC 1898, where investigation is not complete, interim report shall be submitted within 3 days. Option B. 32 का ऑप्शन बी। 33. Powers of justice of the peace are provided in section 22A. Option B. Question number 34. When two or more persons by fighting in a public place disturb the public peace, they are said to commit affray. An affray. Option A. 35. A meets Z and Z's child on the high road. A takes the child and threatens to throw the child down on precipice unless Z delivers his purse. Z in consequence deliver his purse. Which offense A committed? Robbery. इसका ऑप्शन बी ठीक है, रॉबरी। एक्सटॉर्शन नहीं है, रॉबरी इसका ऑप्शन है। 35 का बी ऑप्शन। 36. Punishment under section 511 of Pakistan Penal Code is imprisonment provided for the offense which may extend to 1/4 of the longest term. ऑप्शन सी ठीक है इसका। The arsh for causing itlaf of tooth other than milk tooth shall be 1/20th of diyat. Option B. A holds Z down and frequently takes Z's money and jewelries from Z's clothes without Z's consent. A committed which offense? Theft. 38 का option B. A shoots at an object to be a boar but it turns out to be a human being. A is guilty of offense of qatl khata. Option D. 39 का। Question 40. Whenever intentionally any person in fear of any injury to that person or to any other and thereby dishonestly induces the person put in fear to deliver property or valuable security etc is said to commit offense of extortion. Option D. Question number 41. Maximum punishment for kidnapping or abducting in order to subject person to unnatural lust is death. 41 का A option ठीक है। A makes false entry in his shop book for the purpose of using it as corroborative evidence in a court of justice. Committed offense of fabricating false evidence. Kidnapping or abducting child under 10 years with intent to steal from him is punishable under section 369 Pakistan Penal Code. Question number 44. A judge of the Special Court under the Anti-Rape Investigation and Trial Act 2021 shall be appointed on terms and conditions determined by the federal government. Question number 45. In-camera trial of scheduled offences is provided under section 12 of the Anti-Rape. Option C. Section number 12. Or preventive action by police is provided under section 21 of the Anti-Rape Act. As per Anti-Rape Act 2021, legal and all other assistance to the victim is ensured through the Legal Aid and Justice Authority. Option D. Question number 48. Under the Anti-Rape Act 2021, who is allowed to be present in the courtroom during trial? Only court personnel, legal representatives and approved persons. Option C. The Anti-Rape Act 2021 applies to the whole of Pakistan equally. Option A. The head of anti-rape crisis cell is usually the deputy commissioner. Option B. 50 का option B. Under section 3 of anti-rape, at the time of appointment of judge of special court, his upper age limit is 68 years. Option D. 51 का. Under section 3 of the anti-rape act 2021, a judge of the special court is appointed for a period of 3 years. ठीक है, इसका option 3 years है. 52 का A है option. What is the consequence of making a false accusation under section 22 of Anti-Rape Act? Imprisonment up to 3 years and fine. Option C. As per Anti-Rape Investigation and Trial Act 2021, to reduce the risk of duress, victimization, or any other adversity likely to be inflicted upon the victim, one of the following will accompany her/him. Independent support advisor. Option D. Under the Anti-Rape Investigation and Trial Act 2021, register of sex offender is prepared by NADRA. Under the Anti-Rape Act 2021, trial judgment shall be announced within 3 working days after the conclusion of arguments. इसका कंफ्यूजन है थोड़ा, क्योंकि ये क्वेश्चन आया है रूल्स में से. ठीक है, तो आई एम नॉट प्रेटी श्योर अबाउट दिस आंसर. तो इसका 7 भी कुछ कह रहे हैं, कुछ 3 कह रहे हैं, तो इसको आप काइंडली कंफर्म कर लीजिएगा. Who is responsible for conducting the limit initial investigation in rape cases under the Anti-Rape Act 2021? Trained police officer to deal with the scheduled offences. Option C इसका ठीक है. Section 8 of the Anti-Rape Investigation Trial Act 2021 ensures what specific support for victim? तो ये reasonable financial assistance. Option A 58 का. Under the Anti-Rape Act, which of the following facilities must be provided to victims during trial? तो ये all of these इसका ऑप्शन है. लीगल एड, फाइनेंशियल एड, प्रोटेक्शन, ये all of these. 60. A special court under the Anti-Rape Investigation and Trial Act 2021 is designated to try offences relating to rape and sexual abuse. Option C. Legal assistance to victim is provided under the Legal Aid and Justice Authority Act 2020. 61 का A है ऑप्शन. 62 question number. The primary objective of the Anti-Rape Investigation and Trial Act 2021 is to improve investigation, prosecution and trial of rape and sexual abuse offences. C option 62 का. Under the Anti-Rape Investigation and Trial Act 2021, a victim is defined as woman or child against whom a sexual offence has been committed. Option B 63 का. 64. What is the prescribed time limit to conclude trial under the Anti-Rape Investigation and Act 2021? 4 months. Option C. Under the Anti-Rape Investigation Trial Act 2021, in-camera proceeding are mandatory for all trials under the Act. Option B. Mandatory for all trials under this Act. Question number 66. As per the Anti-Rape Investigation and Trial Act 2021, a special court shall not grant more than 2 adjournments. Option B. 67. As per the Anti-Rape Investigation and Trial Act 2021, special court may appoint a defense counsel with at least 7-year practice. Option C. Under the Anti-Rape Investigation and Trial Act 2021, the trial should preferably be concluded within 4 months. Option C. Article 22 of the Qanun-e-Shahadat Order 1984 makes facts relevant when they reveal the physical or mental identity of person or things. Option C. Statements in the form of electronic documents generated, received, or recorded by an automated information system while it is in working order are relevant facts under the Article 46A. Option B. Question number 71. As per the Kanuni Shadad Order 1984, when the court has to form an opinion on foreign law, science, art, skilled, option B. Under Article 21 of the Kanuni Shahadat Order 1984, preparation for crime is relevant because it proves the actual commission, it shows mental state and intention, option B. It shows mental state and intention, option B. 72 का option B ठीक है. 70. Question number 73. Under Article 75 of the Kanuni Shahadat Order 1984, documents must be proved by प्राइमरी एविडेंस. बोथ एंड बी ऑप्शन गलत था, सेकेंडरी एविडेंस भी गलत था. 73 का ए ऑप्शन ठीक है. वैसे एक्सेप्शन है 76 आर्टिकल, उसमें आप सेकेंडरी एविडेंस भी दे सकते हैं, ठीक है, लेकिन वो एक्सेप्शन है. जनरल रूल है, मस्ट का लफ्ज है. मस्ट का लफ्ज आएगा तो इसका मतलब है कि कंटेंट्स ऑफ डॉक्यूमेंट्स जो है ना वो मस्ट बी प्रूव्ड बाय प्राइमरी एविडेंस, ऑप्शन ए. 74. Judgments, orders of decree other than those mentioned in Article 55 of the Kanun Shahadat Order. Option B, 55. Um, of witness by the party who calls him shall be called his examination in chief. Option C, 75 का. यानी examination of a witness by the party who calls him shall be called his examination in chief. 76 question number. A person is on trial for theft. Evidence is offered to show that he was seen fleeing the scene shortly after the incident. Under the Kanuni Shahadat Order 1984, this evidence is option B, relevant as conduct subsequent to the act can be relevant fact. Option B इसका ठीक है. Which of the following best defines a fact under Article 2 of the Kanuni Shahadat Order 1984? Any event, mental or condition that can be perceived or inferred. Option B. कानूनी शहादत ऑर्डर 1984 is not applicable on one of the following. यह है सूट फॉर रेस्टिट्यूशन ऑफ कंजुगल राइट्स, ऑप्शन सी इसका ठीक है. कंजुगल राइट्स का सूट क्या होता है? दावा हकूक ज़ानशुई, ये फैमिली का दावा होता है. फैमिली के ऊपर कानूनी शहादत ऑर्डर की प्रोसीडिंग्स अप्लाई नहीं होती, इन स्ट्रिक्टो सेंसो नहीं होती. उसके बाद 79 है. आर्टिकल 73 ऑफ द कानूनी शहादत ऑर्डर 1984 डिफाइंस प्राइमरी आर्टिकल एविडेंस एज द डॉक्यूमेंट इटसेल्फ प्रोड्यूस्ड फॉर इंस्पेक्शन, ऑप्शन सी इसका ठीक है 79 का. आप और क्वेश्चन नंबर 80. An accomplice shall be a competent witness against the accused person except in the cases of an offense punishable with had, option D. Under Article 164 of the Constitution, produced through video call, Viber, Skype, etc. Article 164. In KUSO 1984, a document means any matter expressed or described upon any substance, option D. Which article of Kanuni Shahada Order 1984 covers secondary evidence? 74. Article 74 covers secondary evidence. 73 primary है, 74 secondary evidence. The punishment of imprisonment granted under section 514 CRPC of civil nature. ये क्वेश्चन उसने पिक किया है पाक MCQs की वेबसाइट से. Every summons under CRPC must be signed and sealed by the presiding officer of the court. Option A 85 का. Police officer may arrest without warrant in cognizable offences. Option A. A justice of peace orders a police officer to provide protection to a witness in a criminal case. Is the police officer bound to comply? Yes. Under section 22A. Option C इसका मुझे दुरुस्त लगता है. मजीद आपकी सब्जेक्ट टू योर कंफर्मेशन, आप इसको मजीद कंफर्म कर लीजिएगा. मुझे इसका ऑप्शन 22A ठीक लगता है. A warrant of arrest may be executed at any place in Pakistan. Option D. 89 question. A witness who has been duly served with the summons under section 90 of CRPC refuses to appear before the court. What actions can be the court take? Issue a warrant for arrest. Option B. A person is found distributing pamphlets containing sedition material. इसका section 108 है, I think. ठीक है, 108 है इसका ऑप्शन सी ठीक है. कोर्ट्स ऑफ मजिस्ट्रेट ऑफ द फर्स्ट क्लास में अवार्ड imprisonment for a term not exceeding 3 years. When an accused person has pleaded guilty and has been convicted, there shall be no appeal except to extent and legality of the sentence. ऑप्शन डी ठीक है इसका. नो अपील कुछ लोगों ने लगाया, जो ऑप्शन ए है ये गलत है. ऑप्शन डी इसका ठीक है. डील्स विद रिकॉर्डिंग ऑफ एविडेंस इन एब्सेंस ऑफ अक्यूज्ड, 512 इश्तिहारी का जो चलान होता है. ऑप्शन डी 512. Which section of CRPC allows courts to grant compensation to heirs of the deceased victim? 544A. ठीक है, 544A. ऑप्शन बी 544A. 95. A defense lawyer objects to the prosecution using a witness police statements as evidence in court. In this objection valid under section 162 CRPC? Yes, because police recorded statements, witness statements are not admissible as evidence. Option B इसका ठीक है. Who is the ex officio justice of peace? ये सेशंस जज होता है. Which bail petition needs an affidavit? ये इसका ऑप्शन था none of these. ठीक है, क्योंकि प्री अरेस्ट बेल के ऊपर होता है एफिडेविट. तो बेलेबल ऑफेंसेस में और नॉन बेलेबल, ये तो पोस्ट अरेस्ट बेल की बात हो रही है ना. ठीक है, तो इसका ऑप्शन नन ऑफ दीज है. ए हिट्स बी with sticks in fit of anger and injured him. A threatens him that if he went to police for complaint, he will kick him out from the job. How many offenses he committed? 2 offenses. Criminal intimidation B, heart B. It means the mutually agreed compensation according to Sharia to be paid or given by the offender to wali in cash or in kind or in the form of movable or immovable property. तो ये बदले सुलह होती है. ठीक है डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ये थे सारे क्वेश्चंस. आप अपनी इसमें मार्क्स लगा सकते हैं. और ये पेपर जो है ये ग्रुप्स में आया है. वैसे ये मुझे इसका आइडिया नहीं है कि ये पेपर कहाँ से आया है, लेकिन ये पाकिस्तान जना जुडिशल एकेडमी है हमारी लाहौर में, जो लॉ के स्टूडेंट्स की तैयारी भी करवाती है. बहुत अच्छी एकेडमी है. तो ये उसके ऑफिशियल पेज पे उसके ग्रुप में आया है पेपर. बाकी ग्रुप्स में भी आ गया. तो मिलते हैं एक नई वीडियो में. अल्लाह हाफिज़.